Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quest 3 upper body tracking. First, make sure your Quest 3 headset is running the very latest software. Then, navigate to the Experimental Features section within your headset settings. Here, you'll find and enable the upper body tracking option to activate this exciting new feature. Finally, calibrate your tracking by standing in a well-lit, open space, allowing the system to properly map your environment for optimal performance and accuracy. To get the best results, optimizing your physical space is key. Aim for a clear play area of at least 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet or 2 meters by 2 meters. Ensure consistent, bright lighting throughout your space, avoiding direct sunlight or harsh shadows that can interfere with tracking. Wearing clothing that contrasts with your environment can also significantly improve accuracy. Lastly, try to avoid reflective surfaces like mirrors or large windows in your play space. It's important to understand what upper body tracking focuses on. It primarily tracks your torso, arms, and head movements, providing a more immersive presence. However, fine finger movements are not directly tracked by this system. For optimal arm tracking, always try to keep your hands visible to the headset's cameras. Remember, some virtual reality applications may require specific developer integration to fully support and utilize this advanced tracking capability. With upper body tracking enabled, you can significantly enhance your virtual reality experience. Experiment with various VR applications that support this feature to discover new levels of immersion. Utilize the enhanced realism for more natural social interactions and engaging gameplay. Don't forget to provide feedback to developers. Your input is invaluable for improving future tracking capabilities. Always stay updated on software updates for new features and performance improvements, ensuring you get the most from your Quest 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.